TEC Vertical Smoothing Patch is an ultra-high-performance smoothing, patching, leveling, ramping, and rendering product suitable for floors, walls, and ceilings. Our fast-curing formula is designed for interior and exterior applications, making it ideal for pools, fountains, facades, and balconies. This non-slump, non-sag formula allows for easy troweling and screeding and has unlimited moisture vapor RH percentage. Vertical smoothing patch may be used under or over moisture mitigation systems. Before you begin, make sure your substrate is structurally sound, dry, and free of any oil, grease, dirt, or dust. It's important that concrete and cementitious substrates are fully cured and free of any hydrostatic pressure. This product is not a moisture vapor barrier. Do not cover existing building expansion or control joints. Let's get started. Use 3.5 to almost 4 quarts of clean, cool water. Slowly add a 40-pound bag of vertical smoothing patch and mix with the low-speed drill. Mix thoroughly to a smooth consistency and do not overwater. Immediately after mixing, apply the vertical smoothing patch to your substrate using a trowel. Use the trowel or a screed to work the material, then finish it with a steel trowel to achieve a smooth, level surface. The product can be applied from up to 1/16 inch to 2 inches thick on walls and floors, and a 1/2 inch on ceilings in a single application. Vertical smoothing patch achieves walkable hardness in about 90 minutes, and tile can be installed after just 2 hours. It's important not to patch over sealed concrete or deformable and wood substrates. To learn more, visit techspecialty.com and search for Vertical Smoothing Patch.